In this chapter, we're going to be reviewing search engine optimization tools that you can use that will manage not only your optimization, but sometimes your keywords, your rankings, and also provide helpful instruction to improve your website for rankings. We're going to be looking at Linkdex in this lesson and the features that it has to help you manage your site effectively. The first thing I like to point out is the keyword ability here on Linkdex. You can search for keywords to add to your project and into your keyword management simply by looking for words that are similar and clicking search. It will show you words that are similar to what you're looking for. You can also filter out different keywords. You can look for different competition levels or look for a specific threshold on estimated Google searches so that you don't waste time with keywords that only bring in maybe 1 or 2 visitors a month. You can also connect Linkdex to your Google Analytics. In that way, you can get a sense of how many visitors you have received and how many visitors Google estimates search for that keyword. We'll show that in the rankings. But I can go through here and I can look specifically for keywords that are relevant to my project and add them to what I'm doing. I can go through and get many keywords and many variations that are added, and that's one of the ways that Linkdex will help you build the keywords that you want for these tasks. Now let's go look at the Rankings tab. And this will show you your phrases, and you can pick about 5 to 10 that will show the trend for the past 90 days. There's going to be some volatility once in a while for certain terms, but they tend to go right back to where they are. I don't put a lot of stock in the ranking report. What I'm more interested in is this information down here when it comes to rankings. Let's look at the top term. For Classic Beetle, I rank number 4, and that's up number 1 from the last time that rankings were checked. Because this / is here, that lets me know that my home page is the page that ranks for that key phrase. Now, these little icons are very helpful because they let you know what other competition is showing up on the search engine results page. The play button means that there are video results for that keyword. The camera means that there are images showing up for that keyword. And the 4 shows the amount of paid ads that are showing up in the search engine results. So even though I have a number 4 ranking, I know that there are 4 paid results, there are image results, and a video result. So I've got a lot of competition for that keyword besides the other organic rankings that are on the page. Here's where it ties into my analytics, and it shows me that on average about 600 people search for that phrase every month, and I received 88 out of those estimated number of searches. So as I go through and look at all of my keywords, one of the things I'm very interested to know when I get to the bottom of the page is looking at all of the keywords that I'm tracking. I'm looking at about 861 visits, but based on the amount of visits and the keywords that I'm ranking for, Linkdex is estimating that the value of all my rankings and key phrases in the rankings is about $3,500 a month. Because if I were bidding on those terms in Google, it would be costing me well over $1 million. So at the